Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete saved Pinterest pins. So, let's say you accidentally saved something or you want to remove it from your pins. This is the perfect video for you. So go ahead and open Pinterest, and once you're in the Home tab, you're gonna want to go to your Profile or Saved tab. And as you can see, this is my created folder or tab. You're gonna want to tap on Saved, and now you're gonna see all these saved folders. You can also organize it by typing that and then choosing from these. Next, you can create a new folder like so, or board, and now you can see I have 2 pins. This will show all the pins that I have. So how do you delete them? You're gonna want to tap on one of them and then tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner, and then you're gonna want to tap on Save to unsave it. It's taking a while. I don't really know why. But yeah, that's how you do it. Either you tap on this to unpin or tap on saved again. I don't know what's wrong with my phone, so be sure to check that out. And that's pretty much it. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.